The question says a pole of height 3 meter is placed in front of a standing lamp 10 meter away. So if we want to draw a figure, then it will be look like this. Here we can say a pole of height 3 meter. That means we can say this is a pole that is 3 meter and in front of a standing lamp that is 10 meter away. So here the distance between them is 10 meter. The length of the shadow of the pole. So shadow of 3 meter will be given here. Okay. So if we want to draw, then we can see this one. Here we can say this one will represent the shadow. Okay. This one is pole. This one, we can say this is the standing lamp. Okay. Now, the length of the shadow of the pole that is cast as a result of the light from the lamp is 6 meter. So the shadow is 6 meter. Okay. Now the question says find the height of the lamp. Now we need to find out the height. That means age of this lamp. Okay. So how can you solve it? From this triangle, we can say that this is a similar triangle. Why? Because here this one is the standing lamp and this one is the pole. So obviously it will create 90 degree to the base. Okay. So here this one is 90. This one is the common angle of both triangle. So here this one is the height. This one is the big triangle. And this one is the small triangle height. And here 10 plus 6 is 16 meter. Look, this is 10. From this part to this part 10. And this part to this part is 6. So 10 plus 6, 16. And here shadow, that means this one is 6 meter. And the pole is 3 meter. So if you look at these two triangles and these two triangles are similar, then we can say their ratio must be equal. So from this triangle, we can write h by 3 equal to 16 by 6. Okay. Why? Since these two triangles are similar. So h will be 16 multiplied by 3 by 6. So 3 2s are 6 and 16 by 2 will be 8. So we can say height will be 8 meter. And this is the solution of this problem.